To change your debit card in Cash App, start by opening the app on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. In the profile menu, select the option that says Link Banks. This is where you manage your connected debit cards and bank accounts. Tap on the debit card you want to replace, and then select the option to remove or replace the card. Confirm that you want to remove the card from the Cash App account. Next, tap on the option to add a new debit card, and enter the new card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Make sure to double-check the card details to avoid any errors. Cash App will then verify the new debit card, and once verified, the new card will be added to your account. You can now use the new debit card to make payments and transfers through the Cash App. It is essential to keep your debit card information up to date in the Cash App to avoid any disruptions to your transactions. If you have any issues or concerns, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. When changing your debit card, ensure that the new card is active and has sufficient funds to make transactions. Also, be aware of any potential fees associated with using a debit card in the Cash App. By following these steps, you can easily change your debit card in the Cash App and continue to use the app for your financial transactions. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to protect your financial data.